up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't already know me, my name is Maya Miliani, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you are new, please do not hesitate to subscribe to me. As you can see by the title, today we're going to be reviewing a wig, a curly wig. As you guys may have seen all over TikTok, this is a very popular wig. Today I'm going to be telling you guys if it's actually worth it. This is a black jerry curl wig. All you need to do is shake it and define it. They also sent me this really cute goodie bag with a few things included. They also made sure to include an extra elastic band. As you can see, it's very stretchy. They sent the hair in a beautiful silk bag. This wig comes with 3 combs and an elastic band just to ensure that this wig will not fall off and to ensure that it's perfectly snug on your head. It also doesn't come with a lace, so no glue is needed for installing this hair. Straight out the box, you can see that this hair is curly, full, and bouncy. Just look at the way it moves, y'all. It's called Shake and Bomb Wig. As you can see, straight out the box, this wig is extremely... The curls, I didn't even manipulate these curls in any way. As soon as I seen it, I was like, wow. These curls straight out the box is just giving me life. Do y'all see these curls? Do y'all see these curls? Straight out the box. I'm kind of fiending to see how this is gonna look on my head. So I already have my wig cap on. So to put it on, I'm holding it by these and I'm putting it on from the back first. Now what? Do y'all see me? This is with nothing in the hair, no water. I did nothing to the hair. Do y'all believe that I did nothing to the hair? I'm in shock. I even have this shirt on just in case I was gonna have to wet my hair. Baby, I just want you guys to remember that this is a glueless wig. No baby hairs are needed for this wig. Yo, I love it. I absolutely love it. This is overall a very low maintenance wig, perfect for any day. I'm just picking it out to ensure that it's giving that very full look, but as you can see close up, these curls are just given, and I'm running my fingers through it and there's no tangles. These curls are absolutely soft and it's just given exactly what it was supposed to have given. Yo, y'all, the curls are so soft. I'm just so shocked at the fact that straight out the box though, no water, no product needed. I don't even want to put water in it because it looks bomb how it is. Growing up, I used to see a whole bunch of natural gurus online talking about their nice 3C hair, their nice 4C hair, and I was obsessed. Like, my hair could never do that. My hair would never be that, and that's exactly why I picked this, because I wanted what y'all had. I wanted what all the hair gurus had, and now, baby, I got it. I have exactly what y'all have. I know you guys want to see how it's gonna look wet, and I don't want to wet it, but I will for you guys because it looks so perfect. And the more I pick it out, like, the bigger it gets. It's giving 100% volume, and it feels so snug on my head as well. What? The curls are like soft from the tip all the way down to the bottom. It's like extremely bouncy, but it doesn't feel like heavy. Like, it's very lightweight. I'm in love. It also said online that you can dye this hair, so I kind of like the black though. I'm not gonna cap, but it said you can dye it. So comment down below what color you would like to see this wig, and I might, because this black is very much given. This wig feels extremely secure on my head. Should we put it to the test? Should we put this wig to the test? I'm about to start wilding. Hold on. And let's see how secure it actually is. This thing is mad secure, and you know what's crazy? It actually made my curls bigger.
Honestly, what had me so shook was the fact that I didn't put any water in this hair. It was literally straight out the box.
Crazy part is how secure it is with no glue. This wig needed no glue, no product. Yo, this is probably like a perfect vacation wig, honestly. Y'all see how the girls on Instagram or TikTok be like having like braids and then they throw on a wig on top? This wig would very much be perfect for that, literally. And then you can take it off and then you back to that pretty hairstyle, baby. You can switch it up with this. The good thing about it is that it's curls, so you won't, if you have any lumps or bumps underneath this, you won't be able to tell because the curls are so big and it'll just cover it for you. This is def given pretty black girl. All I needed to do with this wig was shake it out and define it with a pick. I honestly did not want to wet this wig because it looks so perfect to me. I'm pretty sure you guys are dying to see what it looks like wet. I want to show you guys what it looks like behind and on the side, so I'm gonna give y'all a little 360. Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. By the way, y'all see how they just jump back up? Y'all see that? Look at this. Look at this. I don't want to wet, you know, the camera.
This wig is also perfect for the girlies that are a little bit lazy and don't know how to do their edges or don't know how to do a lace. You just slap this on your head and you out the door. And if you need a little bit of water, throw a little bit of water in there for a little bit of spice, but you're good to go.
Time for the final look, baby. These curls are soft, they're bouncy, it feels very lightweight.
And to answer you guys' question, is this wig worth it? Honestly, I believe it's absolutely 100% worth it. This was very low maintenance. I'm gonna wear this wig to go absolutely everywhere. If I'm going to the corner store, if I'm going to the grocery store, wherever I'm going, I'm just throwing this wig on.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this bomb wig. Okay, you guys, that's it for this video. I love you guys and I'll see you guys in my next video.